Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and weeks ago I did a post about how to easily back up your Chromebook. Okay, well, I've still got one in Google Pixelbook, in fact, and thanks for that Christmas gift. Anyway, the backing up of the Chromebook is easy as cake to do now, and that's what today's episode is about. And I've got it on YouTube. You can follow along and see what I'm saying. Anyway, the AI, when I searched for how to easily back up your new Chromebook, these are the steps that it came up with. There's a bulleted list, and it's got 6 things. You click down by the time in the lower right-hand corner of the Chromebook screen, and then tap that little gear icon for the settings. Then in settings, you go to accounts on the left-hand side of the screen, because when settings comes up, it gives you a big full screen. And then choose sync and Google services on the right. So you pick accounts on the left, and then over on the right-hand side, select sync and Google services. Select manage as far as what sync is going to have happen. I just do everything. So that's what the 6th step is, to sync all of the settings in your Chromebook. Then select sync everything. And then there's also an option to review your sync data on the Chromebook. And that's kind of interesting to see, as it gives you a count of like how many bookmarks did you back up, how many documents did you back up, etc. So take a look at that when you get a minute. I think you're going to like it. And that concludes this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.